to cook Turtang talong. We call eggplant with eggs and onion, garlic, and also onion chives and some seasoning. So it's super yummy for our dinner. Guys, this is I have 5 pieces of eggplant. First thing I need to boil or steam the eggplant. So as you can see, the water is boiling already, and then I need to put the eggplant inside the steamer, and then you have to estimate that when the eggplant is cooked, and then you put aside. So here, while I'm doing that, I crack the 3 eggs on the bowl, and 1.5 tablespoon of beef powder or beef stock, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and also I add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 4 cloves of garlic fresh chopped, and also 1/2 onion chopped, and 1 piece of onion chives or scallion. I chop it, and then you have to mix it really well. And also guys, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and also I add a little bit of water, like 1 tablespoon water, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So you have to mix it well. And this eggplant, guys, turtang, we call in the Philippines turtang eggplant. You have to try it. It's very, really, really good. Honestly, normally you can add more eggs and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add 5 eggs or 4 eggs. It's up to you. The more you put eggs, is more taste better and very delicious. So now the eggplant, check it. So it's almost ready, and I steam it another 1 minute, and we're gonna get ready to put away our steamed eggplant and set aside on the plate. So if you like this video, guys, it's really, really, really delicious. This kind of recipe is Philippine style. So look, as you can see, I put the water. It's easy to peel. Either you have to run the water and skin the eggplant, but I put only the water in the bowl, and then every time I touch, because it's a little bit hot, or you can color, but it wasn't hard because, you know. So I touch the water, the cold water, and then peeling the eggplant. So subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. And please don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you always updated. So as you can see, guys, after skin, I put that there, and then after that, it's the same process, and repeat what is the what I did the eggplant. So you can grill the eggplant also. If you don't want to steam it, then grill it, but it's easy. It's too hot outside right now. It's 110 degrees or 100 plus degrees in outside, so it's too hot. Plus I grilled on fire on this eggplant, so I rather steam it inside because my house is hot. So now, as you can see, I did flat. You have to get the fork or spoon to get flat the eggplant. So repeat the same process, guys, until it finished. This is only 5 pieces of eggplant. So you need to try it. It's really, really good. This recipe from Philippines or Pinoy recipes. So as you can see, I mix already and put there. Now I'm ready to separate it. I dip that on the eggs with the mixed ingredients which I already show you everything and put away the wood tray of mine. Same process. So while I'm doing this, guys, after this we need to hot the frying pan, like high the temperature, and then after that when you fry the eggplant, then you have to put in medium heat, so it's really good. And don't burn too much because it burn it get better, but you got estimate like it turn like brown, and then you have to turn the eggplant. So shout out to all my silent viewers. I really appreciate, and to all my subscriber and to all my YouTuber, thank you so much. Please leave comment, and I really appreciate to visiting my channel, and leave comment as soon as I get see it, and I will come back to you as soon as I can. And shout out to all my family, my borders, and also my stuff in MG Star Mart. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, like, share, and leave comments. Subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. So now the eggplant is ready to serve. It's cooked now, so it's the same process. As you can see, the way I did is same process, guys. So you just after that, and then you have to put the other eggplant, and what I said, same process. So thank you for watching my video, and see you my next video. Take care, and God bless, and thank you for watching, and bye. So hello guys, here in our place is very hot here. In this week is very hot, super hot. It's 100 degrees. So here we always like inside. I have no desire to go outside because it's too much humid and very hot. What is hot? You know, guys, Texas is very hot. So as you can see now, this is the last, and then after this, get ready to eat for our dinner. Guys, you need to try it. I told you it's very delicious. This kind of recipe is very delicious. You don't need to put salt. You just put like if you have soy sauce and eggs only, or magic syrup, or just a little bit of whatever, and put a little bit of sugar. That's it, and then fried it. That's it, guys.